So we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. This is gonna be a much longer build series, but we are gonna be building a drift truck from this short block. So I really wanna show what it takes to go from a short block all the way up to a finished truck build. So that means we need to build the engine. We need to find a truck. I'm not 100% sure what truck I want to put this in yet. I'm thinking more of like a Toyota Stout or a Toyota Hilux. Ideally, I want to put a Toyota engine in a Toyota. I'm not opposed to like a Ford Courier, a Nissan Datsun. If you have some great suggestions, maybe something you want to see or something that I might like, please throw it in the comments. I would love to know suggestions of what I should put this in. So after this engine is built, we have to do coolant, we have to do brake lines, we have to basically build an entire truck, basically from scratch. So once I get a truck, I'm looking at like a 1970, between 1975 something. So those cars obviously don't have modern suspension or things I need to do drifting, such as an angle kit. There's gonna be a lot of fabricating, which I do not know how to do, but I have the power of YouTube. So we are gonna learn how to weld. I know how to paint. I haven't done it in a while. I've painted my motorcycle with like some candy colors and like crazy designs. So we kind of know how to paint, so I'll be doing some full painting videos on that. But the big one is gonna be fabricating. I need to figure out how to make suspension. That's so far down the road. The main thing that we're gonna be working on right now is going to be the engine. So I have a bunch of parts coming for this engine. This is a short block straight from Toyota. It's a brand new GTE VVTi, or the whole engine is gonna be a VVTi, but this is the GTE version. So this comes with a forged crank, and then it comes with GTE pistons and rods, which they're still cast, but they can make 800 horsepower, no problem. I mean, I don't know how long it'll last at 800, but we're gonna be pushing around 650-ish. It depends on what we're putting in. I mean, the big thing is gonna be the turbo. I don't know what turbo I'm going with. I mean, like I said, this is still pretty on in the build. But we have a GTE VVTi head coming, and that thing can make like rev up to like 9,000 RPM. That thing is like fully built. So if I want to redo this whole bottom end, that head is already good to go. I'm obviously having a shop do that because I can't freaking do valve jobs and all that kind of stuff here. He's machining it. So he's assembling that for the most part. I need to take it apart to even put it on here. But we have an oil pan sump coming, and then I have oil pump, which is a modified pump, and then I also have a water pump coming, and then some other little bits and pieces coming in the mail. And we're gonna do like a phase 1 of building this engine. So it'll be like almost halfway done with building this. But I really wanna show literally every single bolt, every single thing that you need for this engine, for swapping this engine into, it's gonna be pretty specific to the truck that I buy, but it's gonna be the same concept if you're looking to do a 2JZ swap into any other car you want. So yeah, I just wanna show everything. I wanted to start with literally the bare minimum. Yes, I picked probably the worst way to do it if you're gonna be budget conscious. This is definitely not a budget build, but everything that I put on this block, I'm gonna give you alternatives of what you can do if you don't wanna go this route. For example, this is a brand new short block. I would actually almost advise you to just buy a brand new short block from Toyota. This was $3,200, and you get the crank, the bearings, the pistons, the rods. It's fully built. You drop it in, you put the head on, you build the engine. So it's $3,200. If you're looking for a 2JZ GE engine, stay out of like a Lexus IS300, you can take that block. I'm just talking about just this short block. You could take that block, take it out, put forged internals in it, but you're still gonna have to get it machined and everything, and you're gonna be over 3,200. If you're not trying to make over 800 horsepower, short block from Toyota, fantastic choice. So we're gonna be doing everything. So there's nothing on this except the pistons, rods, and crank. So I'm doing tons and tons and tons of research on what bolts go where, what parts exactly I needed. There's still some like cooling components that I'm trying to figure out where they go. I need new sensors. It's literally everything. So I did pick up some bolts. This is a bolt pack from Mazworks that has, I don't want to say every bolt, but it has a lot of the bolts that are like a little bit harder to find. Like you need the rear main seal, like housing, those bolts. It's like, they're all specific size bolts, obviously. Like the water pump, the oil pump, all that stuff that like, if you were to buy it new, it doesn't come with the bolts. So this is a great option for if you are building this from nothing, or if you just want to get some like new bolts, new hardware. This thing was like 80 bucks for basically a refresh of majority of the engine. But obviously I have a ton of stuff coming for this. In the next video, we're gonna be putting the head on, the whole oil pan, and the front section on, oil pump, water pump, that kind of stuff. So I wanna be as detailed as possible with this build. So I'll give you the specs on the bolts. I'll give you specs on what exactly I put on and alternatives that you can do that are at least a little bit more budget friendly than what I'm doing. I'll even be putting together a list of everything that I have on this, how much I paid for it, all that good stuff. So if you do want to follow along with this build, it's gonna be a long one, but I think it's gonna be super educational on if you're wanting to even just build an engine. This is gonna be specific to a 2JZ, fantastic engine, but you're gonna learn some things with going up to other platforms as well. So if you're looking to follow along, please subscribe, comment if you have any suggestions on like parts I should put on the engine, on trucks I should buy, any other products that would like help me. This is gonna be a long journey of just building this, me learning a bunch of stuff, you guys learning a bunch of stuff. But please subscribe, like this video, and comment. Look out for the next video. I'm gonna have like a little giveaway on it as well, if you've made it this far. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.